Hey everyone, welcome back to Clueless Dad. Today we're going to unbox a Smartangel Baby Bouncer from Japan. This is the house brand of Nishimatsuya, the popular chain that I often do videos about. So yeah, let's take a look at it really quick on the box. It's got 3 positions. It folds flat. It actually is almost exactly the same as a Baby Bjorn Bouncer that we have in Hong Kong. So I don't know why, but I guess this may be made in the same factory in China, if I had to guess. This one is white, that one is brown. Probably brown is better for kids because of stains, but anyway, white was the only one they had. And I think it's called White Lily is the exact name if I translate it into English. What else? It's got a mesh, it's got a removable cover. They say 0 to 24 months. I would not put a newborn in here just because they're going to be seated up with their head forward, so it's not good. But any kid who can kind of hold his own head up, say like 4 months, 3 months or so like that. Our daughter was okay at around 4 months and up should be okay. So anyway, let's open it up. Very basic instructions, some disclaimers, etc. of course. So you can see super simple, basically just a metal ring around the top and a stand here on the bottom. And here it's got this multi-locking position. I don't know if you can see it with the 3 different inclinations. So here you can see it has this kind of safety lock so that it can't fall all the way down by accident on its own. It'll only go to the lowest position unless you specifically hold it and guide it that way by lifting this up and lifting this at the same time. So a very simple safety feature before it goes flat. So here it is flat, as you can see, very small. I think it's like less than 10 centimeters, which is like 4 inches. So you can put it under the bed, put it on a sofa, put it in a closet. Won't get too in the way. Non-slip surface, made in China, of course. Yeah, not too bad. For the seat, basically it's just a 3-point with this kind of little seat belt, kind of backpack strap type webbing that clicks in and out. And not too bad. On some of the fancier ones, they mention not only is this removable for washing, but it's also reversible. So in other words, if you have a kid who doesn't need the harness, you could actually put it so that this side is up and the seat kind of goes in that way. But the problem is, in this case, this has this giant like safety warning label sewn in here, so I don't think it's actually very reversible, or it's pretty ugly if it is. So probably not a good idea. And in this case also, this one had these clasps on the back coming around, so it wouldn't be very good if it was put in backwards. The other ones have them like right on the edge, so it doesn't really wrap around. But in that respect, maybe it's actually better that this is around the back so that the kid can't reach it from the front. Last but not least, to take it off, you can actually unhook it here on the front and then the whole thing slides right off. So pretty simple. Okay, so here you can see with some bounce in it, it's basically just kid powered, so no batteries, no vibrating seat, no nothing. Pretty simple, can't go wrong, don't have to replace anything. The main reason we're getting this is actually because my daughter is able to move around now. So you just put her on a flat surface, she'll eventually start kicking and twisting till her feet are off the edge somewhere. So it's definitely better to put her in here, keep her locked in. Okay, so that's basically it. Let's take a look at my daughter in it. She enjoys the one in Hong Kong, so I'm pretty sure she'll enjoy this just as much. I also want to add that this retails for 3,600 yen, which is about $33 US. And it kind of shows the construction is fine, but the fabric of the seat is not nearly as nice as the Baby Bjorn. But then again, that retails for about $150 or more. So keep that in mind. But then again, your kid's going to outgrow this thing pretty fast. I don't think you really need the super fancy one, but it's up to you. So that's basically it for today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. See you guys next time. Bye. You want to bounce? She's bouncing. Not too much, not too much. You know, having the stroller with me all the time up in the overhead bin. As soon as we get off the plane, pull it out, unfold it, and walk off. You know, literally that could save you 15-20 minutes right there.